y'all, welcome back. I'm back. We back in this thing, like, you know what the freak.
Got no sleigh with reindeer, no sack on my back. You gonna see me coming in a big black Cadillac. Oh, it's Christmas time.
Check out new nail color. Check it out. Okay, yes, wintry vibes. Like, you heard, like, yeah. But welcome back to my channel where it's lit and it's only gonna get litter. It's your girl T, me, and you already know what the freak going on. Today, I'm gonna give y'all 5 cute, easy peasy, beautiful cover girl behind hairstyles.
What?
To do for your hair in school, like something quick and easy to do for your hair. So let's get into the video. Oh, that's too light, sus. No, that ain't it. This wall is bugging. Why is there a wall there?
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Style. But for these 5 styles, I'm going to be using my black castor oil, flaxseed, whatever, eco styler gel. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture's red palm oil and cocoa butter curl stretch pudding with flaxseed oil. Of course, the holy grail Jamaican black castor oil. And some water with, like, water with oil in it, I think. I'm not going to be putting all this on my hair because I did do my hair this morning. And then, of course, I have a small tooth comb, a wide tooth comb, a hard brush. You're going to need a hard brush. And my edge brush. Okay. So first we're going to start with a two puff. So, whew, my hair ties are not good. Oh, anyone needs some hair ties. But my hair ties are not good hair ties. Okay, y'all, so like I said, I have no idea to why this is upside down. You can just put your phone on full screen, make sure your screen rotator is locked, and just flip over your phone to see how I do these hairstyles. But I woke up in beast mode with my girl is Beauty and a beast though. How about are you asleep though? If I lose one, I bounce back like 2, 3, did with 4, 5s. Duh. Alright you guys, thanks for tuning into this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share, tell your grandma, your auntie, your uncle, all of them. Tell them all to subscribe to this channel because it's lit and it's only going to get litter. Comment down below if you're going to try out any of these hairstyles. Comment down below if you like them. Thumbs up this video. Like, you know, do the whole 9 yards. Press that red button below. And make sure you come back for the next video. Peace.